Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Exotic Noods. These boxes have all sorts of neat instant noodles from around the world in them. You can go to exoticnoods.com and pick up one or more on a subscription basis by using coupon code The Ramen Raider. So, yeah, let's check this one out. Cool. Alright, so when you get one of these, the first thing you're going to see when you crack it open is their Features of the Month pamphlet. This has a little bit of info, a little newsletter, and just some neat stuff to read, you know? It's pretty cool. So if you want to keep a little bit of information about the noodles that you're going to try, don't lose it. Alright, so I'm just going to go through these and give you a little bit of info about each one of them. And first, we've got one from South Korea's Paldo brand. This is lobster flavor ramen. Yeah, this is a good one. It's a big freaking bowl. It's called a king bowl, and it's lobster flavor. Not a lot more to tell you about that. It pairs well with seafood, so yeah, good one. Next up from Japan, we've got Minraku and their big old yakisoba bowl. This is one that you add boiling water, you drain it off, add the sauces and whatnot, stir it up, and you're good to go. These are generally really good. If you really like yakisoba, you'll like this. One thing to note, you know what's really good on yakisoba? Mayo. Give it a try. Next up from Indonesia, we've got mie sedap mie goreng. Mie goreng it just means fried noodle, but the way they do it, well, think of a yakisoba, but with Indonesian flavors. So this has a sweetness, a spiciness, and it's just a saltiness. It's just really good. Mie goreng is one of the finest, tastiest things in the world, so you're bound to like this. Next up from Hong Kong, we've got Nissin's Cup Noodles Black Pepper Crab. Black pepper crab is a really popular flavor in Singapore. And Nissin Hong Kong came out with a couple varieties of black pepper crab and a chili crab, which is the other popular, it's pretty much the national dish of Singapore. And they put out these two varieties and they were a big hit. This has a crab flavor, there's like crab stick in with it, and a nice little bit of a black pepper gravy kind of taste to it. So yeah, good one. Alright, this one's great. One of my absolute all-time favorites, and it's been on the top 10. This is Mama Green Curry from Thailand, and the green curry flavor is nice. The broth is milky. The noodles have this nice little bit of a crumble, which is indicative of Thai varieties. I got the chance to visit the Mama Instant Noodle Factory in Thailand in 2015. Wow. I mean, wow. They make a lot of noodles. It's pretty cool. The whole place smells like palm oil. It's great. And yeah. If you like instant noodles and you like Thai food, this is a good one. Pretty much all of Mama's stuff is primo. Here's another one from South Korea, and boy, if you like it spicy, you're set. This is Bulldog Corn. This is an ultra spicy level instant noodle. It has the strongest corn flavor you could imagine. This is powder, and it just tastes like a bowl of noodles with corn, and it's strong and it's really good. So yeah, if you like it hot and you like corn, you're set. And kind of back to where we started with the lobster. This one is also by Paldo of South Korea. This is their Hwa Ramen. This is a spicier one, and it's pretty good. I haven't had the cup version in years, but it, you know, this one might end up getting a mukbang. I don't know. I'll think about it. It's been so long, and a mukbang, I haven't done a mukbang in quite a while either, so yeah. And finally, from the shimmering food paradise of Malaysia, we have My Quali with their fish broth noodle. I tried this, was it last year before? I can't remember. It's been pretty recent. And it's got like this milky, salty broth, which reminds me of almost like a chowder, but thinner. And again, they have their trademark noodles, which are great. This is a winner. I love this stuff. I like the pack version. I like the bowl and the cup and the rice noodle. Yeah, it's really good. I also had a chance to visit the My Quali factory back in 2014, Malaysia. If you like food, if you're a foodie, go to Malaysia. Go to Penang, Malaysia. It's paradise. It's absolute paradise. You've never tasted food until you've gone to Penang. Period. All right, so in this Exotic Noods subscription box, you get super spicy Korean noodles, award-winning noodles from Food Heaven, a spicy cup, black pepper crab from Hong Kong, Thai green curry, Korean lobster noodle, Indonesian mee goreng, Japanese yakisoba, and your informational pamphlet. And thanks again to the guys over at Exotic Noods for shooting this over. Hey, if you want to get a box like this, or, you know, Christmas is very close and other holidays as well. So this is a great last minute item to get. You can get somebody like a 3-month, 6-month. I think you can pretty much a la carte get as many months as you want, I think. But it's a good deal, and it's something that'll give somebody something new to try every month. Go to exoticnoods.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, and get them a discount. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.